The Philippine Dream is not just the pursuit of success, it goes beyond the conventional idea of achievement. It's a journey that often begins with curiosity or ambition, evolving into something deeper, richer, and more fulfilling than imagined. For many foreigners visiting the Philippines, what starts as a vacation or business trip becomes a life-changing experience, resonating on a profound level. Upon arriving in the Philippines, many are captivated by the nation's vibrant energy, from bustling Manila streets to Palawan's serene beaches. It's the warmth of the people, welcoming and eager to share their culture, that creates a lasting impression. This genuine hospitality is both foreign and familiar, as if you're being invited to become part of something larger than yourself. Many find themselves drawn to the sound of laughter, not just from fleeting joy, but as a testament to the Filipino spirit's deep-seated optimism. Despite adversity, from natural disasters to economic challenges, Filipinos maintain humor, warmth, and an unwavering belief that tomorrow holds better things. This infectious positivity becomes a defining aspect of their love for the Philippines. The Philippine Dream isn't just about joy and laughter. It's finding contentment in simple, everyday moments. Life here is often slower, less pressured by modern life, allowing for self-reflection and deeper appreciation of what truly matters. Success in the Philippines is measured in relationships and contentment in one's surroundings, a welcome respite from previously stressful lifestyles. The Philippines is undeniably beautiful, but true paradise is found in the people who call these islands home. It's in the residents' warmth, in the strong community sense of bayanihan, where people support each other without expecting anything in return. This unity makes foreigners feel they belong, countering a world that often feels divided. Faith plays a significant role in the Philippine Dream, seen in joyous festivals, revered traditions, and prayer in daily life. This faith provides strength, purpose, and gratitude for life's blessings. For those from less religious backgrounds, it offers a humbling, inspiring new perspective on living with meaning and purpose. Filipinos' resilience, rising above typhoons or political unrest, is inspiring. This resilience is about thriving and adapting despite hardships. It serves as a powerful reminder of human strength and encourages perseverance against adversity for those who experience it firsthand. Ultimately, the Philippine Dream becomes a living, breathing reality in every part of life here. It's about belonging in a new land, waking each day to a simpler, meaningful life where relationships are valued most. It reminds us that home is defined by experiences and people that make us feel whole, transcending borders and connecting us all.